guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a wear test and review as well sa bagong, actually hindi na siya bago, nilaunch na siya first week of October lang. And then late ko na siyang binili. So here it is, the Revlon Wonder Woman collection, collaboration with Wonder Woman ng Revlon, WONDERWOMAN84. So itatry natin at i-wear test natin kung maganda ba ang makeup collection ng Wonder Woman. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So try na natin. Actually, ang nag-launch ito dito sa Singapore. Nag-launch ito sa Singapore around first week ng October. Sa US, first week of October. Tapos sumunod dito sa Singapore, mga few weeks lang after that. Tapos hinabol ko yung sale sa Guardian, naka 40% off. So ayan, tatry natin. So as you can see, naglagay na ako ng foundation at ibang makeup para bago ko siya itry. Okay. But before that, we have the face and eyeshadow palette. And then, meron din siyang liquid eyeliner. It says wear up to 24 hours. And then, the microfiber mascara. Meron din silang glow pot, illuminator glow pot. And then, meron silang lipstick. Meron silang cream at meron silang matte lip mousse. So, dito sa matte, Amazon yung kinuha kong shade. Tapos dito sa mousse is red hot. So later try natin. Iba-iba yung shade nito. So lalagay ko na lang dito sa sa screen yung mga ibang shades at yung mga swatches nila. Okay. So first natin itatry yung eyeshadow palette. These are the colors. Ayan. Nice yung colors. Feeling ko pigmented. Tapos the Wonder Woman face and eye palette natin. Let's try. Ooh. Sobrang pigmented siya, girl. Ayan. Okay. Let's try the eyeshadow. Let's try the base unbeatable, this one. This is for the eyeshadow palette. Let's blend. Blending is the key. I'm gonna try this. This is the eye powder pencil. Okay. It has two colors. Dual siya. Okay. So, ito yung style niya. So, ito yung sponge, eyeshadow sponge, and then ididip mo siya doon inside to get some product powder. Let's try. Tapos naglagay na ako. Okay. Let's Parang pang-highlight lang siya. Okay, let's try. Hindi siya masyadong pigmented. It's not that pigmented, unlike the normal eyeshadow powder. You have to dip every time you apply kasi wala siya masyadong lumalabas. Okay. Not really a fan of this, but okay. Let's give it another try. Let's try now the liquid liner. It says it can wear up to 24 hours. Let's try. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Liquid liner. Okay. Oh dear, good luck. And then I'm gonna try this mascara. So Fierce mascara. Sorry, hindi pala siya so fiber. But first. Oh, what's this one? Okay, let's try the lipstick. Okay, in the shade Amazon. Okay, and let's also try the lip mousse in the shade Red Hot. Siyempre, one shade each lang yung binili ko. Ooh. I think I'm gonna try this one. May bubble gum. The last one is the glow pot. It's like illuminator highlighter method. Here, it's a gel type. So, oh. What happened? Whoa. What happened? Look at this. Let's try. I love it. Gel type siya, pero parang natunaw na. Nalusaw na. Okay. Let's see. Let's try it here. Sure how does this work. Malagkit siya, girl, kasi nga gel type, but I'm not sure if this will gonna dry up. Let's see later. Okay, so let me just do some touch-ups and then I'm gonna show you the final touch. Okay, let's review the eyeshadow palette. Okay, the colors are nice, but they are super makalat. Nalalaglag siya, meron siyang mga powder na ano, nalalaglag pag nag-apply ako, or ewan ko ha, this is in my opinion, in my own review. Nice yung colors, see, they are super pigmented. This one, the eyeshadow eye powder, also not really a fan. Hindi siya masyadong kumakapit. Baka ilang ano ka muna dip bago siya kumapit dun sa sponge. And then this one, I love it. I'm loving it so far. Hindi siya masyadong intense, so pwede siyang pang everyday. So sana ito hindi siya mahirap tanggalin. And then the mascara, so far okay naman yung mascara. Let's see later. Okay naman yung mascara. This one, I'm not sure. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung matutuyo ba siya. Pero, first time ko kasi gumamit ng gel type. Glow pot. Normally, ano lang ako, powder, tsaka cream. Etong gel type, hindi ko sure kung ganito ba siya talaga malagkit. Okay. And then, this one, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Pero, maganda. Amazon. And then this one, this is the one I'm wearing. Red hot. Super red na red. Hot na hot. Char. Okay. So, this is the final look of the Revlon Wonder Woman collection. Enjoy this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, hope to see you next time, guys. Until the next vlog, bye.